Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the problem so you don't chase symptoms. Inspect hinges, latch, and post alignment, measure any gap or sag to know how much lift you need. Once done, support the gate with a jack or block to take weight off hinges. This prevents sudden drops. Next, remove only the lower fasteners first to see movement, then loosen the upper hinge. Make sure to keep bolts and pins labeled so reassembly is exact. Now you address the core mechanical fix, hinge renewal and alignment. After removing corroded pins, evaluate hinge wear, replace the worst parts first. Install the new hinge or pin loosely so you can fine-tune. Insert 1/4 shims between hinge and post to correct tilt. Once the gate sits square, tighten all fasteners gradually and alternately to avoid binding. Lubricate pins with grease. This reduces wear and makes future adjustments simple. Make sure screws bite into solid wood or concrete anchors. You finish by testing and securing the repair so the gate stays reliable. Swing the gate several times, checking for rubbing, uneven closing, or latch misalignment. Adjust the striker plate if the latch misses. Once satisfied, tighten all hardware to final spec and protect new metal with paint or a weatherproof coating. If the gate still sags, try adding a 1/4 shim under the upper hinge or tighten the post anchor. This usually corrects persistent droop. Finally, recheck after 24-48 hours and retorque as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.